The church has given credit that we should go back to.
Because some houses are done away we can give them, leave them bad. May they go do the work myself. They go do the work. They go do the work. If Tinubu is on the weekend, we will not work again. We don't work.
They are saying that
Tinubu is on the weekend. They're the man. Weekend must go. Weekend must go. Weekend must go. Weekend must go.
The court has ruled now that workers should return to work. But there's one very important thing I want you to clear. It's just two respondents, the president and the secretary, in their personal in the capacity of the Congress. So how is this order binding on other workers?
I love that question. You know, I raised it yesterday. I was asking when we said we want to join NLC and the TUC into the matter. So they objected to that. And we are saying that when you give an order, though it's only two parties that are in court, is the order binding on them or on every other persons? But they said their agent, their privy, who is their agent, who is their privy. But whichever that is the case, the workers are law-abiding citizens. We are going to advise them to respect the court. The one good thing is that the court has also mandated that we should commence, it's not as an advice that we should commence mediation in line with the law. Now that we are in court, we are going to do the formal application where the media will also be part of it, because they have been doing their best trying to reach out to the minister, but the minister refused to see them. And they went on strike, which is the only instrument a worker, an employee can use to express his grievances. And my lord said, since the matter is in court, matter cannot be in court, and you continue with the strike. Call off your strike, go back to work while we adjudicate on it. So their lawyer has also undertake that he's going to do the needful. I should do them a letter, and he's a senior advocate of Nigeria, and I believe that he will do the needful and advise him. Because this one has gone to also tell the honorable minister that you are serving a government that is predicated on constitutional governance. You don't do it as if you are in the military regime, even in the military regime. So we are going to comply with the ruling, whichever way. Whether the ruling is defective, whether it is effective, we must comply with it. It is an order of court, and we are going to comply with it. That is just it.
Open all the gates. We are going back to do what? Relax and be praying. Yes. When they meet our demand, we will come. We will not struggle with them with the gate, because the life of every staff matters to us. Yes. The life of every FCT staff counts. Nobody will struggle with them. They have the gun, they have the power, they have the resources, but the people's power is more than their own. So you will go home, you will conduct yourself, you are peaceful people. They will not make you do what you are not supposed to do. You are gallant FCT workers, you have a right to be respected. This is your land. You are not a second-hand citizen here. You can't be treated badly somewhere and then you come to your own country and suffer this. We say enough is enough. We will remain in our houses. We are no more on strike. We are not struggling with anybody, but we are remaining at home. Thank you for standing strong with the union. For the union makes us strong. That is who we are. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Like our lawyer has told you guys inside, we are law-abiding citizens, and because they have said return to work, we are returning to work, pending our next appearance is in court. They say they are giving room for reconciliation. Our lawyers are going to meet and fix dates for reconciliation, pending when we all appear in court. I'm sure after that reconciliation is done, we'll come up with resolutions and then we'll get back to court. And the date for the next appearance is in March, and so we all cannot be on strike till March. But reconciliation will go on, pending when we appear again in court.
So within the days, what are you guys going to be doing? Appearing at work or be at home?
No, they say call off, so we'll call off. We'll call off, and then we'll wait for the reconciliation. As of this morning, they've done a little bit of part, because they forwarded to me. They have done a little bit of part of our payment, which is huge amount of money. So they have started. So maybe when we go for the reconciliation, we'll hear what they have to say, and yeah.
So the main question is, coming tomorrow, are you going to report on your decks tomorrow for work, or are you going to be at home?
No, if they say call off strike, it means come to work. We usually come to work before we start embark on this strike. So if they say call off strike, we'll come, we will obey the court ruling and get back to work while we continue to push for other things. Thank you very much.
Is this order binding on all the workers?
Well, we commend the court for making an order for the stopping of this strike, restraining the workers from going on strike or continue with the strike. I think this is commendable because it's going to give the parties opportunity to discuss, and then the order is given according to the law. And then whether or not it's going to bind other unions, yes, other unions are there. There is always a process of commencing strike. This one commenced, there was negotiation going on, and they went on strike. And court has told them to go back. Our plea to the union is that they should allow industrial harmony, they should go back to work, and give opportunity for mediation. Because to me, it's like a family matter, and this is an opportunity that the union should take this opportunity for settlement so that there will be industrial harmony in Abuja here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
To mediate, or are we going to resume work while our leaders mediate? Let's know so that they don't divide us.
No, she has said it that we go back home and stay. We wait for the results we get with them. Then the union will get back to work. They not say we should resume back to work.
They do say we should resume.
No, that's what I want to know. She just addressed the media now. We are going back to our home. We are going back to home now. That's why she just addressed the media now.
Hey!
Thank you, boss.